Hey everyone, it's Playlist Cover. Today, I'm sharing amazing life hacks using something you already have in your kitchen: baking soda. It's not just for baking, it can deodorize your fridge, unclog drains, and even freshen your laundry. Let's dive into 5 incredible baking soda hacks that will save you money and make your life easier. So grab a spoon, because we're about to dive into the amazing world of baking soda hacks. Let's kick things off with a simple hack for a fresher smelling fridge. We've all experienced that moment when you open the refrigerator and encounter an unpleasant odor. Well, fear not, because baking soda is here to save the day. Baking soda neutralizes those funky smells instead of just masking them. To banish fridge odors, grab an open container like a small bowl or a saucer. Fill it with about half a cup of baking soda and place it in the back of your fridge. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a lovely scent. The baking soda will work its magic for about a month, absorbing all those unwanted odors and keeping your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Let's face it, clogged drains are the worst. But before you reach for harsh chemical drain cleaners, try this all-natural solution using baking soda and vinegar. First, pour about a cup of baking soda down the clogged drain. Then, slowly pour a cup of white vinegar down the drain. You'll notice it starts to fizz and bubble. This is the magic happening. The combination helps to break down those stubborn clogs. Let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. After that, flush the drain thoroughly with hot water for a few minutes. This baking soda and vinegar solution is a safe and effective way to tackle those pesky drain clogs without using harsh chemicals. Did you know that baking soda can help you achieve a brighter smile? Baking soda has natural whitening properties that can help to remove surface stains from your teeth. To make your DIY toothpaste, simply combine a tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water until you form a thick paste. You can also add a drop of peppermint extract for a refreshing minty flavor. Dip your toothbrush into the paste and brush your teeth as you usually would. However, it's important to note that while baking soda is safe for occasional use as toothpaste, it's not recommended for everyday use, as it can be abrasive on your enamel over time. Ants in the kitchen are the ultimate party crasher. But before you reach for toxic ant traps, try this safe and effective solution using baking soda. Sprinkle a thin line of baking soda around areas where you see ants entering your home, like windowsills, doorways, or cracks in the wall. Ants are repelled by baking soda, so they'll avoid crossing the line. You can also mix equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar and place it in shallow dishes or lids near ant trails. The sugar attracts the ants, while the baking soda disrupts their digestive system, eventually eliminating them. This method is a safe and natural way to get rid of ants without using harmful chemicals, especially important if you have pets or young children. Get ready to say goodbye to dingy clothes and hello to brighter, fresher laundry with the power of baking soda. Baking soda is a natural laundry booster that can work wonders for your clothes. Simply add half a cup of baking soda to your washing machine along with your regular laundry detergent. Baking soda acts as a natural softener, helping to balance the pH levels in the wash, which prevents colors from fading and keeps your whites looking bright. Plus, it helps to neutralize odors, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and clean. If you live in an area with hard water, adding baking soda to your wash can help to soften the water and leave your clothes feeling softer and more comfortable against your skin. And there you have it, 5 amazing baking soda hacks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. From freshening up your fridge to unclogging drains, whitening your teeth, keeping ants at bay, and even boosting your laundry, baking soda is a true multitasking superstar. Baking soda is proof that you don't need expensive products or harsh chemicals to tackle everyday problems. So go ahead and unlock the magic of baking soda in your home and share these awesome hacks with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and helpful videos.